Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rad Power Bikes phone holder. It's actually the GUB Pro3 phone holder and it's branded by Rad Power Bikes. So let's open it up. Here's the box. It's a nice box. I'm assuming this is the same box that it would come in if you got it directly from GUB. Here we go. Here's the bracket, which goes on the handlebars. It's nice. It's labeled with the torque setting, 6 Newton meters. These are the adapters if you have a different size handlebar. It looks like there's 2 Allen wrenches in there and a machine screw. Here's the phone holder. It's labeled GUB Pro3. There's no Rad Power Bikes branding on the phone holder, only on the box. Looks very sturdy. So we'll be getting that on the bike shortly and see how it works. Oh, and there's instructions, but we don't care about those. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.